how's it going?
How's it going?
Junaid.
Junaid.
Nice to meet you.
Junaid, my son knows you.
Oh, is it?
And I know you as well.
Oh, is
from
it?
a long time ago.
Really?
My son said Junaid's going to be there. Phew. The acceleration's mad, eh?
Yeah.
How long did it take you to get used to the track?
Well, this is my second lap, so, so we've done a track walk yesterday, and that was about it, you know.
Oh wow, okay.
And it's got about 520 odd horses.
Okay.
All-wheel drive.
Yes.
4-wheel steering.
Yeah.
Ready? Let's go.
Holy crap, it hell!
Enjoy it, guys. Enjoy it. Hold on.
Oh my word! Whoa! 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 We're still on the accelerator there, mate. Whoa! How's this track? My God!
That is
Thank you. That's amazing. Thank you.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Have fun, guys. Enjoy the rest of the day.
You can
Yeah,
go.
cool. Cheers. Hey?
You can.
Oh, thank you. Am I going straight, left, or right? You guys having a good time?
Yeah, it's about to get better.
It's a very short circuit.
How fast are you going to be going?
You know what? I'm not even looking at the speed. So
Yes, sir.
it's all about feel. So here you go.
Let's go! Damn it! Fucking, I love it. I love it. Ruan, I love it. Fucking love it. Come on. I love it. Come on, I love it. Come on.
Wanna go to McDonald's? Do a drive by quickly.
Oh my
No
God.
ways.
This is beautiful.
Guys, holding on.
Yeah.
I love it. This is unbelievable. Oh my gosh.
And it's fully electric, yeah?
Yeah. Yes, they're doing. It says we are still alive.
It's so hard. It's so hard. Oh my God.
No, this seatbelt is not helping you.
Oh my God, it's not hiding anyone. We need the fall.
Cool, guys. As short as it was, I hope you had fun.
That was amazing, man. No,
Lovely.
guy.
Thank you so much.
Awesome.
Yo.
Done.
That was insane. Yo. Thanks a million, man.
Thank you, man.
We
Enjoy
are
it.
finished.
Thank you so much.
Cheers, man.
I'll give you my contacts well done, eh?
Okay,
Good
cool.
fun, eh?
Thank you. Thank you.
Enjoyed the track?
Yes, lovely. Lovely. I wasn't trying to push you. I was just trying to follow your line.
That's